So rewarding. It's crazy to think that we've had, at the start of the year, just boxes and crates filled with metal and rivets, to now have fully fledged parts of a plane. We started with the coupon project, and that was to help us gauge how to use the tools. So we tested out on tiny pieces of scrap metal, being able to build our skills during the start of the year so we can actively get going on the construction of the plane.
The very first thing we had to do, we had to inventory all the parts. So we made a spreadsheet that had just all the part numbers and their names.
Then we moved into some of the bigger stuff. So my group did the vertical stabilizer, so the tail of the plane. So that was the first big thing we did. That took probably about 2 to 3 weeks.
Being able to actually apply it, it's super exciting. Like having the one wing completely finished and the other one being close to being finished, about a week left on it, and knowing that everything's gonna connect at the end, it's super cool to see.
The leadership, I've learned how to just conduct all these different people with different skill sets and how to get the job done quickly and efficiently. You just gotta do your best every time.
Honestly, it's kind of made me want to go into the aircraft field, because before that I didn't really know what I wanted to do. So it's kind of given me something that I'd probably be interested in.
This one's mainly just about collaboration, because you learn how to work with other people, which is a very important thing for later on in your life. And so just learning how to work with people and work efficiently and the best of your ability every single time.
Huge thanks to our mentors and Mr. Gibson, because we would be very, very clueless without them.
Talking and learning from Mr. Gibson and then the mentors we have, you learn tons of stuff that you would never get to learn if you didn't do a program like this. So.